Tired of your mailbox overflowing and your inbox flooded with unwanted offers? Let's take control of your privacy and stop those marketing solicitations in their tracks today, and Experian can help. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through using Experian's powerful services to opt out of receiving marketing offers from a vast array of companies. This is your first step towards a cleaner inbox and a more private digital life. First, head over to Experian's official website. Look for their dedicated section on opting out of marketing solicitations. Sometimes this is under Privacy or Consumer Services. You're looking for a clear path to manage your preferences. On the Opt Out page, you'll likely find a form to fill out. This is where you'll input your personal information, such as your name, current address, and email address. Experian uses this information to identify you and ensure they remove your details from marketing lists accurately. You may encounter options to opt out of specific types of offers, like credit offers or insurance. Take a moment to select the categories that best suit your needs for reducing unwanted mail and emails. This allows for a more tailored approach to your privacy. Once you've submitted your information, you should receive a confirmation. This might be an on-screen message or an email. Make sure to keep this confirmation for your records, as it's proof of your opt-out request. Remember, opting out is a powerful way to protect your privacy and reduce the constant bombardment of marketing. By using tools like Experian, you're taking an active step in managing your personal information. Start reclaiming your peace of mind today.